Architectural designer. Art, nature, architecture. Welcome to the ultimate destination for architectural enthusiasts and visionaries alike. Here at Call the Seder YouTube channel, we invite you to step into a world where innovation, sustainability, and boundless creativity converge to shape the very fabric of design. With a diverse array of content, we're not just a channel. We're your compass, guiding you through the ever-evolving landscape of architecture. Join us on an exhilarating journey that transcends the ordinary and brings you face to face with the extraordinary. Venture with us as we explore the delicate dance between aesthetics and sustainability in the realm of energy-efficient designs. Uncover breakthroughs that are revolutionizing the way we perceive and interact with our built environment. Push the boundaries of your imagination as we unleash design concepts that challenge convention. These videos aren't just about architecture, they're a canvas for innovation, a playground for your creative sparks to ignite. Prepare to question the status quo as we embark on a mission to deconstruct architectural stereotypes. Our content aims to reveal the rich tapestry of architectural diversity, from ancient traditions to modern marvels. We're redefining how you see the world around you. Journey through the ever-changing urban landscape as we unveil real estate trends that shape our cities. Discover how form and function intertwine, shaping the places where we live, work, and dream. Embark on virtual tours of iconic cities around the globe. Experience the architectural treasures that have stood the test of time, sharing stories of human ambition, creativity, and progress. And that's not all. Whether you're a novice or an expert, we're here to help you master the art of 3D modeling. Dive deep into the world of digital design, creating visual masterpieces that blur the lines between imagination and reality. Elevate your skills with Rhino Education Simplified. From beginners to advanced users, our tutorials demystify this powerful tool, making your learning journey thrilling and accessible. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of Rhinoceros and 3ds Max? Let us guide you through comprehensive videos that simplify complex concepts, turning them into tools for your creative arsenal. Join our journey. Whether you're an aspiring architect, an urban explorer, or someone who simply admires design's artistry. Subscribe now, and together, let's embark on a captivating voyage through architecture's realms, promising inspiration, education, and a fresh perspective on the world that surrounds us. The future of design starts here. Welcome to Call the Seder.